Welcome to 121 Beatty Downs Road. We are here at the door of Unit B or Apartment B on the second level. You can see down the stairwell there to the ground level. If you're looking from the street, this apartment home would be on the top level on the left side. This is Unit B. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Some recent updates. So you can see here, you entered the living room. You have a large living room there with 2 windows facing out towards the front. That closet that you see in the corner there is just a utility closet that houses the water heater. You can see a nice size living room and the opening there to the kitchen. So you have tile flooring in the kitchen. All of your appliances and countertops and cabinets are on this side. So you have white appliances, there's an electric range, dishwasher and refrigerator there as well. And then a window looking out towards the back. And then here you have your laundry closet in the kitchen, has full-size washer and dryer connections there. Then another utility closet here on the left side, and then here on your right, it's a linen closet. So you have some shelving. There's a bathroom straight ahead of us here, a full bath. But first we'll go to our right and take a look at the master bedroom in this home. So it's a nice sized bedroom. This one faces the rear of the building as well. And here you see the closet behind 2 bifold doors. And then the bathroom here. You have a half bathroom with tile flooring. You have a single sink and vanity there and a mirror, medicine cabinet. And again, right next door here is the full bathroom. So again, tile flooring in here, single vanity and medicine cabinet, and a tub and shower as well. And then last but not least, right next door we have our second bedroom. This one faces the front, and the closet in this room just has a normal door instead of the bifolds. But you can see decent amount of closet space there. Fumbling today. So again, this is 121 Beatty Downs Road. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It's in the St. Andrews area of Columbia, near I-20, I-26. It's convenient to both downtown and also the Harbison area as well. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.